Hey guys, Casey Sanguins at Guarantee RV in Junction City, Oregon. Today I want to show you this new 2020 Heritage Glen 23 BHHL. This is a great floor plan, great little bunkhouse trailer. Up front you've got a power tongue jack, which comes in very handy. It's almost standard anymore. Nice fiberglass front cap with the integrated LED light so you can see what you're doing when you're hooking up at night. Coming around the side, you've of course got a nice pass-through storage. I love that they put a nice big door opening here and that they're using the magnetic catches up here so you don't have the little plastic clip hanging on. It does come, that box in there, it comes with an outside barbecue, and we'll show you in the back here in a minute. But you've also got solar panels pre-prepped for solar. Plug in a portable solar panel there, help keep your batteries charged up. You got a nice big outside awning, okay? Keep the sun off you or the rain off of you. Of course, outside speakers so you can listen to some music. And then back here you've got the outside kitchen. Everybody loves these outside kitchens. I particularly like this one. It's just a sink and a little counter space with a fridge. And then like I said, it comes with the barbecue back there that's going to attach onto this mount, and that barbecue is going to be able to swing out and be right here just outside the awning. So even if you've got the awning out, you don't have to worry about the smoke coming up, hitting the awning, getting stuck underneath here. You've also got the rack here on the back, so it's a bunkhouse. You've got kids, bring their bikes, bring extra coolers, bring whatever you want. You've got places to store them outside. Let's go inside and take a look. Jumping up, you've got the nice solid step. These steps are becoming very popular very quickly. They're exactly what they say they are. They're a solid step. Okay, bunkhouse trailer. You've got the nice double over double bunks, top and bottom. Very nice, very comfortable for the kids. Right inside the front door, you've got a nice walk-in pantry, plenty of extra storage. Even comes with a garbage can. A lot of food, a lot of cereal, a lot of hot dog buns you can put in there. Okay, back here in the back, the bathroom. I love this bathroom. Plenty of room, great shower. I always like stepping in. I'm 6 foot and there's still plenty of room up here for me, okay? Very usable. The nice squeegee door. Lots of counter space, plenty of space to set all your extra toothbrushes and stuff. Nice sink so the kids can brush their teeth in the sink. Medicine cabinet, everything. Up front, you've got the nice big U-shaped dinette. This does fold down into a bed, and the nice thing about the U-shaped dinettes is they're long enough that even an adult or a taller person can sleep there, okay? You've got storage underneath, opening doors, directly across from your entertainment center. You've got a decent sized TV there. You've got the fireplace, which is great to use if you're plugged in somewhere. Use that fireplace, it does put off heat. Up in the kitchen, plenty of counter space, plenty of spots for a coffee pot or a toaster, whatever you may bring with you. You've of course got the nice 3-burner stove. This is the new Furrion stove with the auto igniting oven, and I love that they match this bottom drawer down here to make it match the oven. You got nice stainless steel microwave here and nice cabinets above. Okay, they've done a really good job with the decor and the colors. I love the backsplash here. I love the etched glass inserts. Over here you've of course got a nice big fridge and freezer. Very easy to get to, but out of the way. Up here in the bedroom, you've got a great big entry door into the bedroom. You've got a nice queen size bed with hanging wardrobes on either side. Lots of storage up above, all the way across. And there is power on both sides, both 12 volts and 110. Again guys, this is a 2020 Heritage Glen 23 BHHL. My name is Casey Sanguins. If you have any questions about this or anything else we have in stock, give me a call. My phone number is 541-953-9171. Look forward to hearing from you.